Very good morning to all my kids. Welcome to my online e-learning classes. Student, today we will cover a new topic of chapter 1 in science, crop production and management. Today's topic is manure and fertilizer. What are the uses of manure? Why manure is more important than fertilizer? The definition of manure and advantages of manure. In contrast, fertilizers, the definition, and what is the difference between fertilizer and manure, why the excessive use of fertilizers are harmful for the farms as well as for the uh, plants also. So these are the topics which we will cover in today's video. So please children pay attention and watch the complete video carefully. So let us start our today's video. So children, today's topic is adding manure and fertilizers. You know that for improve the soil quality and for improve plant quality, crop quality, we have to give some nutrient, some substances to the soil, and these substances are termed as manure and fertilizers. So farmers are using fertilizers and manure to increase the fertility of the soil and to increase the crop production, and finally the yield, increase the yield of the crops. So farmers usually add manure and fertilizers. Okay, so basically what is fertilizers? Fertilizers are the chemical substances which contain calcium, potassium, nitrogen. These are the inorganic substances which are made inside the factories or labs, and they are very essential for the growth and development of the plant. Okay, whereas manures are the organic substances which are also used to improve the soil quality as well as to improve the plant quality. And both the things, fertilizers and manures, both are used for increased crop production as well as increased soil quality and to improve the plant quality. Okay, so in some areas farmers usually do the continuous crop production in a same land on a same field, but due to the continuous crop production, the land become less fertile because all the nutrients will be used up by the continuous crop production, by the plants, by the crops which are grown continuously. And due to this continuous crop production, when all the nutrients will be used up, the land become less fertile. So to increase the fertility of that land, farmers have to be used manure and fertilizers. Okay, this is the answer why the farmers are using fertilizers and manures in the field, for their field. Okay, so this process is called manuring. Adding the manure to improve the soil quality and to improve the production of the crops as well as to replenish the soil which become less fertile. Farmers have to add nutrients in the form of manure. It is called manuring. Okay, improper or insufficient manuring result weaker plant. Okay, so I have discussed you manures are what? Manures are the substances, organic substances which improves the fertility of the soil and which improves the quality of the crops. Okay, like cow dung and dead remain of the plants and animals, dried leaves. So these are the organic substances which are decomposed by the certain bacteria, and these improve the fertility of the soil. Now, for this, we have to do an activity which is given on page number 6, activity 1.2. In this activity, we have to take moong or gram seed, and we have to germinate them. Now select 3 equal size seedlings. Then we have to take 3 empty glasses and we have to mark A, B and C on the glasses. In glass A, we have to add little amount of soil mixed with little cow dung, that is manure. In glass B, we have to mix soil with the urea, with the little urea. Urea is what? Fertilizer. Now in glass C, we have to add only soil without any manure or fertilizer. Now pour some water and plant the seedling inside the glasses. Now keep them into the safer place and give water regularly. After 7 to 10 days, observe their growth. So what will be the growth according to you children? In the first glass number A, in which we have given soil, water and manure to the seedling, the growth of the seedling will be good. In glass number B, we have given soil, water and fertilizer to the seedling, and thus we can see the best result of the growth of the seedling. In class C, we have not given any manure, any fertilizer to the seedling, so the seedling become less active and the plant become very poor. The growth of the plant become poorer. So you can see the picture. In A, growth is good. In B, growth is best. And in C, no growth at all. You can see the result here. Now, fertilizers. What are fertilizers? They are chemical substances. As I told you, these contain some example of fertilizer. Please underline this thing. Some examples of fertilizers: urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Okay, NPP. So the use of fertilizer has helped farmer to get better yield of the crop, such as wheat, paddy and maize. By excessive, but we have to use the fertilizer up to the limited amount or limited quantity. But if we use in excessive amount, the same fertilizer will decrease the fertility level. They decreases the water absorbing capacity of the soil also. So these are some hazard, because fertilizers are made by the chemical substances and chemicals are not good at any reason, for any reason. But if we are using into a smaller quantity, they can be useful. But if we are using in a larger scale, in a larger amount, then they become poisonous also. And because of that, excessive uses of fertilizers, the soil pollution and water pollution will take place. So excessive use of fertilizer are not good. We have to substitute fertilizer by organic manure or leaves the field uncultivated in between two crops. Mean to say that to avoid the fertilizer, the second option, the better option will be adding manure. And we have to avoid the continuous crop production on a same field. We have to leave our field after one production, and after one harvesting season we have to wait for the next season. Okay, thus the use of manure improves the soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity. It replenishes the soil with all the nutrients. Okay, because manure is what is the manure? Manure is completely natural thing without any chemical substances. So they don't have any poisonous thing inside it. So we can use the manure in contrast to the fertilizers. Now another method of replenishing the soil with nutrient is through crop rotation. Crop rotation is what? This can be done by growing different crops alternatively. Means in a season, if farmers are growing wheat, So in the next coming season, they have to grow the pulses. So the nutrients which are good for the wheat, they are used by the wheat crops, but the leguminous plants, the pulses require some other type of nutrients. So this kind of alternative crop production or alternative farming, it will replenish the nutrients. Okay, nutrient supply. Now this helped in the replenishment of the soil with nitrogen. Farmers are being encouraged to adopt these practices. Earlier farmers in northern India used to grow legumes. Legumes means pulses as fodder in one season, and in the next season they grow wheat plant. Okay, so this is known as alternative farming. Now in the previous classes you have learned that about rhizobium bacteria. These rhizobium bacteria are present in the nodules of the roots of the leguminous plants. They fixes atmospheric nitrogen. So they also provide nitrogenous substances without any chemicals. So this is also a good reason to grow the leguminous plant in our farm. Now this is the difference. This is the difference between fertilizers and manure. Fertilizer are inorganic salt. Manure is a natural substances obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste and plant residue. Okay. Fertilizer is prepared in the factory, whereas manure can be prepared in the fields. Fertilizers does not provide any humus to the soil, whereas manure provides lots of humus. Abhi, what is humus, children? So humus are the organic dark color substances or organic dark color matter which are commonly found on the top layer of the soil. Now the fourth point, fertilizers are rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, whereas manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrient. So this is the difference. This is the difference. Now advantage of manure. This is very important, children, and this is also very important. So learn by heart these two things. So what are the advantages of manure? The organic manure is considered better than the fertilizers because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes and it improves the texture of the soil. These are the 4 points or 4 advantages of manure. So children, I hope you all have understood today's video. If you have any query or any confusion regarding this topic, please ask me. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, children.